Flood control is one of the biggest ticket items in the national budget, and now claims of kickback are putting it under the spotlight. The House may subpoena Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Bagalong along with the evidence he says links lawmakers to flood control project payoffs. George Cahiles reports.
Manila Congressman Benny Abante says it's time to name names in the flood control controversy. He's challenging Baguio City Mayor Benji Magalong to face the House inquiry.
Mahirap po yung nalalagay lang sa media, parang missing sa bungero yan. Nakakalimutan din pagkatapos. Kaya kailangan tapusin na ho natin ito sapagkat ang taong bayan po ang sumisigaw na eh. Ang taong bayan na ang ano rito ang talagang naguguluhan dito.
If Magalong refuses, Abante says the House can subpoena him and the evidence he holds. The mayor earlier said he's willing to attend hearings, but won't bring the documents linking lawmakers to corruption. House Public Accounts Committee Chair Terry Ridon says Mayor Magalong may be invited to their hearing on the condition that he names under oath the 67 contractor lawmakers allegedly involved in government projects and the legislators who received 30 to 40% kickbacks from contractors.
Trust issue yan eh. Sino ba nag-iimbestiga, di ba? Unang-una, pagkakatiwala mo ba, yung nag-iimbestiga, yung sila mismo yung mga sangkot.
Abante insists if politicians are indeed part of the flood control mess, evidence must be presented, not just blanket accusations that taint the entire Congress.
Yung mga kontraktor na binanggit ng ating Pangulo, meron yan sa likod ng mga opisyal ng DPWH, meron sa likod niyan ng mga elected official, kinakailangan na pong i-reveal yan.
Okay.
Sa lalong madaling panahon.
Abante also calls for an independent commission to investigate the corruption. And he says firms owned by relatives of government officials should be banned from serving as contractors or suppliers. George Cahiles, Billionaire News Channel.